one of my father's right-hand man, Efrain Rangel, which was one of the first Hispanics to come over during all, the big flood of Hispanics we had coming to North Carolina and everything. Him and his brother was probably one of the first here. Him and my dad were side by side working all the time. He's built like a horse, great worker, just worked sun up, sun down, till he'd take his shirt off. He had cut off jeans, and huge calf muscles were like that big. Little short guy. He would work like a Clydesdale. He came on to help because that's what he did. He knew digging. He knew how to do all that, and he would dig like a mole. That started the, hey, we can do this, the outside department. So we started doing Cablevision drops again, which is now Spectrum, asking for work orders. They were like, okay, so they would hand us some work orders and we would get rolling. We had a little farm tractor, so we could plow, we could trench. And on those trenchers, they had a small boring rod where you could bore up under the roads and everything. That was long before the HDD drills came out. The drills like the rigs we have now. You'd have to dig a big pit on one side, go on the other side of the driveway or the sidewalk, dig another big pit, back your machine up and connect the rods together, and kind of like a dart, kind of like a javelin, you aim it where you think it's going to come out, and you turn your tractor, you hit the hydraulics, and it'll start spinning real slow, and you try to aim that rod at where you think it's going to go. That's how we got into directional drilling. We got to the point where that wasn't good enough for us, so we had to get us a very small JT9, or back then they were called 1220s, and that was the directional drill where you could just stick it in the ground, you could drive it, you could take it to wherever you wanted to go. And like I said, Efrain, that was new to him, but he knew the outside department, and we started growing from that.
This is one of our newer machines. He's loading rods in. It'll actually lift up this whole machine, all of them together, lifts them up, drops the rod in, and on the other side it'll load it, spin it, and he can punch through.
For more Contractor of the Year videos, click the playlist on the screen now.